So, bore da everyone. This is hopefully going to be an unboxing and kind of setting up my March planner. So having seen loads of videos by other creators using the Planything Rainbow flowers, I ordered the rainbow flowers from Planything, which is based in the Netherlands, and I'm based in the UK. It was delivered by DHL and it had this massive rip, like almost a quarter of the box was destroyed. I was really worried that something was going to be missing from my order. So I've already opened this ahead of time and thankfully nothing's missing, despite the fact that there is a massive hole in my box. Like, I could have lost some stuff in there. So very unimpressed with DHL, but that's got nothing to do with the Planything. I suspect that this happened well after it left their capable hands. So anyway, I ordered the Planything Rainbow Florals and Boxes set. So it's a whole kit, and I also ordered a few extra bits. So I'll talk about those in a minute. But this is the rainbow florals, and this is what I'm going to be using for my March setup. March is traditionally a spring month, so you know, kind of florals fit with March, but I think that these florals are more kind of summery vibes, but quite frankly I need something summery in my life right now. So I'm going to go through the bits and pieces that are in the rainbow florals box. So first things first, there's the Rainbow Florals and Boxes sticker set. So this is on shiny sticker paper, so it's quite reflective. But amazing artwork, just beautiful artwork. The second I saw these images, I was just kind of like, I know that I said I wasn't going to buy anything in February, but I'm getting these. So gorgeous rainbow of florals. And I'm sure that you've seen other flip throughs, so I'll try and keep this one brief. And you get 2 sheets of each, and then you get these sort of clusters, and they're just so bright and gorgeous. I just need this brightness in my life. But also, on top of these florals, I'm probably going to use that border, I think. There are some boxes. And I think the middle is cut out. I'll just double check. Yeah, so the middle is cut out, so you won't be trying to write on this reflective plastic. You'll be able to write inside the boxes because it's just the outline that comes out. But there's also these lovely rainbows. So I will probably use those for Pride Month, not this month, but I can use those later in the year. And then there are these beautiful illustrations that are in a kind of rainbow colour scheme, and I'll may or may not use those this month, I don't know. But also it has this white paper with all of these lovely boxes, and it's so nice to have boxes and icons that you can use interchangeably. And these are some plain boxes, just coloured, but just plain instead of having all of the illustrations as well. And I love that all of the colour scheme is going to go together, so all of the colours will match. So really excited about that. So that is the Rainbow Flowers and Boxes stickers, which is 30 sheets. This is an A5 notepad. I'm probably going to take this into work because I always need notepad to just make notes. And, you know, kind of all of those are the same, but, you know, kind of decent enough size that you can make notes. And for me personally, I need to be able to, you know, copy off it to get onto my lab book. We have a photopolymer rainbow stamp. Again, I'm probably not going to use this month. I'll probably use it for Pride Month, but you know, kind of the lovely photopolymer stamp that you can use if you want. So there's some double-sided paper and acetate. There we go. Right, so there's an acetate sheet, which is absolutely beautiful. And then there's these 2 double-sided papers. So there's a frame on one side, rainbows on the other. And I think it might actually be quite nice to use that as a kind of quote for the month, or an affirmation for what you want to be achieving that month. So I'm probably going to use this side more than that side. I'll probably have to punch it so it's that way up. Gorgeous, just rainbow stripes, and then that magical floral on the other side. So that one's going to be quite hard to decide which side to use. And then there's the pen that comes in the set, which again is all rainbow and gorgeous and fabulous. Love that. And then the set comes with 2 washies. So it comes with a striped rainbow and a floral, which is based on the paper. So there's 2 washi tapes in there that I can use in my spread. And I did order a few extra bits. So I ordered, I think this is the Beach Vibes Planything pen. I'm always a sucker for turquoise and gold, so that was kind of inevitably going to find its way into my cart. And because of my Bengals, who I love very much, I had to go for the leopard print Go Wild washi tape and the leopard print Go Wild sticker book. So obviously Go Wild is based in America, and I'm not travelling at the moment due to, you know, all sorts of things, money, COVID, all of that jazz. But I did really want to get myself this set. And if I just move this out of the way, you can see there is a bit of a theme going on in my life. So this is my Happy Planner jacket that I've got on my Happy Planner. And if I fill this with stickers, and I've got the matching washi as well, you know, kind of, it's all leopard-y goodness. This is my Happy Planner, and I've got all of the stickers for this month and previous months over there. This is the planner that I've had since last July. I changed all of the discs out, so it was black plastic discs. I am not a fan of the plastic discs. I've had quite a few of them break on me, so I insisted on going for the metal ones, and as this is quite kind of rainbowy, I went for a rainbow discs. So these are all metal rainbow discs that I ordered separately and swapped out. This is the pen that lives in this wallet kind of permanently. This is a simply gilded leopard print silver hardware. It's got black ink in it, but the ink does take a little while to dry, so I do occasionally smudge it, but it goes really well with the, you can't quite see it, with the lining on this. So we are now in March. Always believe in your wildest dreams. So first things first, I'm going to set up my monthly page, because I find this page really, really useful. I tend to have to put things like, if I go back to February, things like I've got haircut, days when I've got annual leave, I tend to mark that out with washi tape. The only thing is I don't work well with a Sunday start. I cannot do a Sunday start, so I'm going to have to white out all of these dates. Also, because I live in the UK rather than the US, daylight savings time is a different date to the US, so I'm going to have to kind of just white out all of those. So I will come back with the magic of video editing after I have whited out all of those. See you soon. So whilst I was whiting everything out, Inara has come to join me. So there's a little shadow in the corner, that's Inara. I use Helen Richardson handmade planner stickers to do all of my dates, because I'm replacing them. If you like a Sunday start, then you don't need to do this. It's just I really can't cope with a Sunday start, so I use these. And these are gold foil. She does all sorts of different foils, holographic, all that jazz. It's just I've decided that I'm going to stick with gold foil for this month. So it's going to be Pancake Day on Shrove Tuesday. So the Monday is going to be the last day of February. And I think because this is going to take so long, I'm just going to edit all of this footage out because you really don't need to see me sticking all of this stuff down to get an idea of my spread. And as per usual, everything is covered in cat hair. It's one of the joys of having several cats and cats with no discipline whatsoever, because they will literally get hair everywhere. So as I said, I think because this is going to be quite long and tedious, I'm going to edit this out and I will come back when I have stuck all of my date stickers on for March. So I've added all of my dates, so now everything is laid out correctly. So I'm going to add a little bit of decoration first. So the last 3 days are no longer March, they're April, so I'm going to, from the sticker book, probably use, I think, that one. And that's just going to take up space in a nice decorative kind of way. And Monday is the end of February, so I'm just going to stick one here as well. So I've got some attractive little bits and pieces around the place. More cat hair. So I'm going to be using the Happy Planner colourful boxes just because there is some gold in there and it's just to match up with the gold letters. I've got two important oh, sorry, do excuse me, two important work dates this month. So one is on the 2nd of March. Please tell me that's still straight. And one on the 16th. So those are important work dates. I'm just going to have that over there for a minute. I've got something happening on the 9th as well. Don't know, I might pick this pink one. Although it looks a bit odd, the fact that it's got totally different sized edges. Never mind. And I think I'm going to put a yellow box here for Shrove Tuesday. And I've got something for work that morning. So I'm not really much of a, you know, kind of decorative planner, and that for me is enough. I've got, you know, kind of boxes for important work stuff, and I think that will do. Obviously I need to decorate all of my weeklies as well, so I'll probably put that in a different video because this is getting a bit long. So that is my monthly setup for March. If you enjoyed this haul video and decoration of my monthly planner, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you click the bell icon, then you will get notified whenever I upload a new video, whether that's planning or card making or scrapbooking. You can check out all of my upcoming videos, and I just want to say thank you so much for spending your time with me. I know that everybody's time is precious, so thank you for staying with me to the end. If you did stay with me to the end, choose a flower icon just to add into your comment so that I can see that you stayed with me. And thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!